Krishna says, you go there, don't come back. Why? Because you cannot get to Krishna's place, Krishna, spiritual sky, not Krishna. The planet of Krishna is not the planet of Krishna. It's this consciousness, Krishna, realm of Krishna consciousness. Spiritual sky is the best thing. Prabhupada called it spiritual sky. It's not a place. It's consciousness. We say a realm. It makes it. It doesn't have a fixed locus. It can be anywhere. When saints, they're living in this material world in Boma Vrindavan or anywhere, and they transcend, they become transcendental, gunatit. What is that verse about gunatit on Gita? Saganan Samatita Brahma. No, what's the first line? Brahma Bhuta Prasnat Prasnatma na Sochati na Kankshati. No, no, that's not. Sagunan Samatitya Brahma Bhuya Kalpate. What's the first? That's the second and third line. Mam Chayo Bicharena. Mam Chayo Bicharena Bhakti Yogena Sevate. Sagunan Samatitya Brahma Bhuya Kalpate. So this is the Bhakta. Mam Chayo Bicharena. Abhicharena Bhakti means ananta, ananyas chintyantamam.